So this is my trailer, and as you can see, it's got a ramp going to it, and I've just wheeled off my exciting new purchase, a new motorbike that I bought at an online auction. So this bike was kind of crashed. I think it was a stolen, recovered bike, and the insurance company paid out the owner, and then they sold it through their broker. So I bought it online and I went to pick it up, and I've just got it back. It's a Suzuki SV650cc V-twin. You can see the motor there. These bikes have been around a long time. They're very good bikes, and monoshock suspension. It's got like twin discs on the front, so that's good braking. So this is, I'm thinking this is going to be my kind of daily rider, track day bike. Want to get back on track. This is my Triumph, which is going to be sold. I mean, it's a great looking bike. This, again, I bought this one from an online auction as well, and fixed it up and cleaned it up. And it's a fabulous looking bike, but it doesn't really ride that well, and it's only got a single disc, so it doesn't really brake that well, and it's got like a 19-inch front wheel, which means it doesn't really, when you're cranking it over in the corners, doesn't really want to tip in. Whereas this thing, I think it's going to be a bit different, and it's going to be a bit more of an exciting ride. So anyway, I took a bit of a risk buying it, right? Because I don't know if it's going to start. I don't know how many miles it's done. It did come with a key, but as you can see here, it's like this. There's no. Someone just hollowed it out, obviously, because they stole it. But I'm going to see if I can put that in there. See if I can wiggle it around, and it's come on. Look at that. You see? Now then, see how many miles it's done. 1,885.5 miles, so less than 2,000 miles. So it looks like a wreck, but it will clean up. You know, I need to buy a few parts for it, so I'll probably spend a couple of $100 on it. Anyway, let's see if it starts. Come on, there you go. Let's just have a look, see what bits it needs. So starting from the top, it needs a new mirror. This isn't the original mirror. Needs new brake lever. This is needs a new grip. There should be like a weight on the end there. This should be like a panel, like a plastic panel that should run all the way down there to cover all this up. Let's have a look. The foot peg needs replacing. It's got a bit of a scratch on the exhaust pipe. It's got like, that's cracked there. That's repairable. I don't really care anyway. But yeah. So what I'm going to do is, I've got a title for it, so I'm going to fix it up, take it, get it inspected, and get it out on the road. Boom. Look at that. Well happy with that. Well happy. I think that's going to be... It looks a bit like a Ducati Monster, doesn't it? Don't you reckon? Looks a bit like a Ducati Monster. But yeah, well pleased with that. That's a thumbs up. Look at that, that's all bloody bent. Look, where they've tried to jimmy it open. I just realised the rear master cylinder is like broken. Look, there's a bunch of these rubber bits that are missing on the seat. Where the hell did they go? So this definitely feels like the forks are a bit notchy as well.